Overheating can be a major buzzkill for gamers. Let's dive into how this issue affects our gaming experience. So, what causes our phones to overheat when we play? Let's break down the common culprits. From cooling fans to specialized pads, there are many solutions out there. But do they really work? Let's explore some simple DIY methods that can effectively help keep your gaming phone cool without breaking the bank. Here's what you'll need to get started on your DIY phone cooling adventures. Follow these simple steps to create your very own homemade cooling pad for your gaming phone. Applying thermal paste can make a world of difference in heat dissipation. Here's how to do it right. Sometimes, making slight adjustments in your gameplay settings can help keep those temperatures down. Here are some additional hacks and gadgets you can use to keep your phone cool while gaming. With these methods, you can say goodbye to overheating issues and enjoy your gaming sessions to the fullest.